A cop who blew a federal criminal investigation by tipping off a friend will only do 6 months behind bars. Brad Aaronsfield was facing up to 20 years, and federal prosecutors wanted him to serve at least some of those. News 13's Amanda Goodman was in the courtroom today for sentencing. She is live now in the Newsplex. Amanda?
Well, Dick, after the sentencing, Aaronsfield praised the judge for his fairness. Federal Judge James Parker said while this was a serious offense by a police officer, it was nonviolent, and he believed it stemmed from misplaced friendship. He also cited the fact that Aaronsfield has no criminal history and a long-praised career in the military and law enforcement. Now, this case started 2 years ago when Aaronsfield tipped off a buddy of his that the feds were watching him and his downtown car dealership. APD and the FBI suspected drugs and stolen goods were being peddled out of the dealership. Aaronsfield has said all along he did this to warn his friend that there may be something shady going on at his business and to protect his own son, who worked at the dealership. Prosecutors say Aaronsfield's tip ruined the investigation and put lives in danger, and that he knew exactly what he was doing. The U.S. Attorney's Office was seeking serious time in a federal prison. They didn't get it. After today's sentencing, we heard from both sides.
Considering the way things could have gone, I'm really appreciative of the just call by Judge Parker.
We would ask for more time, and you know, in these types of cases, you ask for more. But you know, our position as prosecutors is to decide what charges we should bring or not to bring, who to bring them against, and it's the court's position to decide what sentence is most appropriate.
The judge will let Aaronsfield serve his sentence at a prison in Virginia so he can be close to his sick mother. When he's done with that, he'll serve 6 months house arrest back here in Albuquerque. Back to you.
All right, Amanda, Aaronsfield, who resigned from the police department a few months after he was charged, is asking the judge to let him remain free right now while he appeals his conviction.